All right, proofs involving angle congruence. All right, so what we're doing here, we're looking at this proof, and it's going to be very similar to what we did with the segment congruence. So if you've done that one, this should be just a walk in the park. I'm going to switch over quick to notability, and I really like to tackle these on paper, kind of make a plan before I do them in ALEKS. And so that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to go over here. I screenshotted it, and I'm going to look at what they gave me and just kind of walk myself through it. So they told me that 1 and 3 are the same. So I'm going to mark those. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. And then they told me that angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. And then they want me to prove that QPS, ooh, that's really thick. Let's see, maybe I should make that a little thinner. There we go. That angle QPS is equal to angle TPV. There we go. That's not pretty. There we go. All right. Well, I think it's pretty clear from our markings that they are equal. Okay? And when we write this, we are going to have to show that like angle 1 and 2 together make up QPS, and that angle 3 and 4 together make up TPV. So that's going to be the direction that we're going to go. Okay? So just, that gives us an idea. I love the coloring and that we can see that. Okay, so let's head back here. And what I'm going to do, I like to send my givens to proof. There we go. Okay, I'm going to bring my keyboard out. I like to have it sitting in front of me so that it doesn't take up half my screen. So I put my pen away. All right. First thing I'm going to do, you know, if I'm going to prove that the measure of angle QPS is equal to the measure of angle TPV, I have to have QPS in my statements. So I need to have something that says QPS in it. So I'm going to have the measure of angle QPS. What is the measure of angle QPS equal to? That's the question. Well, it is equal to, well, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. There we go. That's a true statement, right? And that reason would be angle addition property. There we go. I'm going to hit my validate. And as long as I can hit validate, I've done a true statement. If I can't do validate, I've not done a true statement. Okay, now I need the same thing with TPV. So I'm going to go back and do measure of TPV equal to, okay, TPV is equal to, I can do either measure of angle 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4. Since up here, 1 and 2 are first, then I'm going to go 3 and 4 in the same order. I'm going to go the measure of angle. By the way, I just hit the letter M, and it right away did measure of angle. So if you're using your keyboard, you can hit M, measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. And my reasoning is going to be angle addition. And validate. Woohoo! All right. Now, what I really need, okay, I need this. I need that QPS on one side and TPV on the other side. So what I really need to set equal, I need to show that they are equal to the same thing. So I need to show that they are equal to the same thing. Well, they are equal to the same thing, right? So what I'm going to do, and this is the trickiest part, okay? I am going to substitute out one of their sets of angles with equivalent angle numbers. So for TPV, I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick this line, TPV, and I'm going to substitute measure of angle 3 and measure of angle 4 with numbers that they are also equal to. So 3 is also equal to 1. See that? So I'm going to put 1 right there. And 4 is also equal to 2. So I'm going to put 2 there. So watch that. It gets a little confusing, but watch this. I'm going to say measure of angle TPV equals measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. Okay, so I have substituted 1 for 3 and 2 for 4 by substitution. Okay. Okay. Now look what that gives me. If you look at line 3 and line 5, QPS is equal to measure of 1 plus measure of 2, and measure of TPV is equal to measure of 1 plus measure of 2. They're equal to the same values. Because they're equal to the same values, I can now set them equal to each other. So I'm going to go up here and send a proof. And my reason is because of substitution. Because they're both equal to the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2, I can set them equal. So I'm going to hit check. Wait, careful. Wait a minute. Go and validate. Always validate. And it even tells me my proof is complete. And hit now check. We're good to go.